Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decorative Dream. Welcome to our YouTube channel dedicated to the art, design, and smart functionality of tiny kitchen apartments. In today's modern world, more and more people are embracing small space living, whether it's by choice, necessity, or lifestyle. A tiny kitchen is no longer seen as a limitation. It's an opportunity to showcase creativity, innovation, and style while making the most out of every square inch. Our channel is here to inspire, guide, and support you in transforming small kitchens into practical, beautiful, and highly functional spaces. We believe that tiny kitchens hold big potential. From clever storage hacks and multi-purpose furniture to space-saving layouts and aesthetic design choices, we bring you endless ideas that can completely change the way you look at small kitchens. Whether you live in a studio apartment, a compact city flat, or a cozy rental with limited kitchen space, our channel provides solutions that combine both style and efficiency. Here you will find in-depth tours of small kitchen setups, where we explore real-life examples of how people around the world are managing to cook, store, and entertain in limited areas. We will share creative organization tips that helps you reduce clutter, maximize storage, and keep everything within reach. Our content will also feature DIY projects, affordable decor ideas, and budget-friendly makeovers so you can upgrade your kitchen without spending a fortune. But we don't just stop at design. Our channel also explores the lifestyle sides of tiny kitchen living. You will see how compact kitchens can encourage minimalism, reduce waste, and promote more intentional way of cooking and eating. We bring you recipes designed especially for small kitchens where you don't need fancy appliances or a lot of counter space to create delicious meals. For those who love aesthetics, we also cover modern design trends, color, themes, lighting setups, and decor inspirations that can make even the smallest kitchen look stylish and inviting. Our mission is to show you that a small kitchen does not mean small possibilities. In fact, it can be the coziest and most efficient part of your home if designed thoughtfully. Every video we upload aims to give you practical advice, smart design inspiration, and motivation to make your kitchen space truly your own. Whether you are someone moving into your first apartment, living in a rented flat, downsizing into a tiny home, or simply looking to make better use of the kitchen, you already have our channel is here for you. We will share ideas from across globe, highlight innovative storage solutions, review compact kitchen appliances, and provide design tips that blend both functionality and beauty.